Hello, Vanakkam. நான் Sharanya, கோயம்புத்தூரிலிருந்து. Right now we are living in Bangalore. I am basically a food blogger by profession and a food photographer by passion. And my food blog name is My Happy Kitchens, and my food photography page is Saran's Photo Magic. And I started my food blogging before 3 years, and I started my food photography before 6 months. Actually, newbie in food photography now. Every day I cook new dishes. I post the recipe in my blog along with step-by-step pictures. And when members view my recipe, try my recipe and post their comments, at the end of the day, when I read those comments, that gives me more satisfaction than earning. More than money, when I help fellow women to learn something, that gives me more satisfaction. And even in food photography, as I told you, I am a newbie in food photography. But I still do small photo shoots for new women entrepreneurs who are in growing level, who are in small scale investment. So I help those women with their product photo shoots, and that gives me more happiness and satisfaction that I help some women to grow. That is very important, right? More than money, that satisfaction is very important, and that happiness is really unbound, that cannot be expressed in words. And why women prefer jobs rather than business is that that is purely individual's choice. That woman's choice that depends on their family situation, financial status, and their patient, whatever. That depends on purely their own choice. But whatever it is, either it can be a job or it can be a business, whatever it is, please do it with patience. Don't do anything out of force, or don't do anything which gives you unsatisfaction. That will not give you any happiness even though you earn money. And why women entrepreneurs are lesser than men, that actually I don't accept. There are a lot and lot of women entrepreneurs are there, right from a small scale business to big scale business. There are a lot of women entrepreneurs are there, but our society failed to recognize them, and we don't find them. That's the true fact. Each and every woman has a unique talent, and every woman has an entrepreneur in them. But things are changing now. There are a lot of platforms are there, social media platforms are there, right from Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. So a lot of social media platforms are there. So what I tell every woman is, woman, please come out, learn yourself, grow yourself, be independent. You may earn a handsome amount or a small amount, that's not a priority, but you should be independent, learn something and grow yourself. No one is going to come and push you and encourage you to learn or to start your own business. No one is going to do that. You have to grow yourself. So now you have a beautiful opportunity. Every woman can access social media now. Everyone has phone now, so you can access Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, everything. So it's right time to come out, and your entrepreneur in you has to come out now. Please learn, grow yourself, and be independent. And not only in buying business, every business has equal opportunity to women, similar to men. Only thing, as I told you earlier, women has to come out now. It's right time to women to come out and grow themselves. As a family, what we can do is, only thing we can give them little moral support, little financial support maybe. That will help every woman to grow themselves and earn themselves, and they can be independent too. Every woman earning themselves not only makes them financially independent, but also build their self-confidence. It helps to bring your confidence level to next level. So woman, please grow yourself. No one is going to come and help you to grow. So finally, thank you for viewing my video. Thank you Micro Bazaar for giving this beautiful opportunity. Thank you.